Hi guys! So, nandito kami ngayon sa Anvaya Cove dito sa Morong, Bataan. By the way, nag-swimming na kami kaya basa na ang hair ng auntie nyo. So, pabalik na kami sa aming villa dahil pagod na raw si Johnny at si Kayla. I wonder if I am passing the right way. Oh yes, I am. Okay. Okay, I'm not sure if mamaya gusto pa nila ang mag-night swimming after mag-dinner. Pero ang swimming, I think, is until 9 o'clock. So, nandun na sila. And, iniwan na ako. Alright. So, ito rin yung dinaanan namin kanina.
Ano yung kayo?
Anong gusto niyo una? Sa beach or dito sa ano?
Here.
Doon sa may swimming pool?
Oh.
Boy?
Saan mo?
I mean, no, I don't know.
Boy, girl? Saan yung gusto una?
Yung stay.
Dito muna sa ano? Staycation muna.
Yung kay ano.
Kay Peter Tanchi Jr.
This Jason here?
Oh.
Kita mo? Basa mo?
Newsletter.
This letter ni Ronald.
Okay, we're back. Help Johnny. And this is the view outside. And alright, so punta muna tayo sa pool. Lakad tayo dun sa pool na malaki. Yes. Samantalahin ang mga sandali. Dahil ilang araw na lang is back to school na naman. Go, go, go. Oh. Han, magkano yung short na nabili mo?
600.
Wow.
Okay ba?
Yeah, it's nice.
2,000 plus eh. 70%.
2,000 plus? Anong brand yan ba 2,000 plus?
70% naka...
The greenery is really nice. Okay. Okay, so papunta tayo ngayon sa swimming pool area. And, of course, dito tayo dadaan sa ating secret passage. Ang galing naman nila mag-landscape. Meron kaming tanim na ganito yung dill eh. And this one, but that one we don't. Ay, pati ito oh. I didn't know na pwede siyang i-landscape ng ganito. What? What? Pero yung sa akin hindi naaalagaan dahil weekend lang kami nasa bahay. So, ang mga dahon niya ay marami brown. Okay. Okay, so we're almost there. Ayun na sila Johnny. And so far, there's plenty of people right now here. Yes. But not as much. May time talaga na super plenty. Now it's not that much. This is the spa. So the spa is there. Yung kainan is there. May buffet breakfast dyan pag morning. Okay, the pool is here. Meron ding doong bar where you can order. Oh. Sige, babe. Go on. Go on. So, there are shower areas here. Kagaya no post na yon. That one, which is covered, and that one. And that one is shower area din. Pwedeng magbihis dyan. There are times this area has mga kung ano-anong mga activity. This is an open space right now. So, meron ding mga food carts like this. And may mga kainan. Wow. Meron pang ibang accommodation. I've never been there. And right now, marami silang guests. Okay, we are heading to the front desk or yung reception area. Okay, so I passed by the front desk already. Hindi ako nag-video dahil napakaraming tao right now sa front desk. Meron ditong parang man-made lake. It looks cool. No, ang ganda tingnan. Meron pa dito sa kabila. So, ito yung kabilang side ng man-made lake. Okay, and other activities. Here is, ayun, merong tennis court. Okay, maybe I will try to check that. Okay, may mga paandar sila ngayon. Dito. Ayan. Okay, there are lounges here. Ito pala yung kanilang theme, parang carnival. Paturn na ako, di ba kanina nakita niyo yung video na yan? So, naikot ko na siya. Oh, this is another like a ito yung karugtong ng lake kanina na nadaanan ko doon. Oh, it's nice. I took picture and maganda siya sa photo. Yan. I am heading to that area. I haven't been there. Tingnan natin kung anong meron. Wow. The sea is very calm right now. It's 4:20. Malapit na lumubog ang araw. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. Okay, alright. Okay. Diyan sa place na yan, diyan kami nagsistay. Yes, and it's almost sunset. Amazing. Okay, wow. Almost finished na ang decoration. So, ito na yung mga kinabit kanina. Ito, bagong kabit ito kanina. And, ayan. And ayun, yung Christmas decor. Oh, oh, maganda siya. Also this.